Good afternoon. This is my Jeep update for October 2nd, 2022. And yesterday, the 1st, was spent on yard cleanup after Hurricane Ian.
Pronounced Ian.
Yeah, I got delayed on that, plus I got some medical issues again. But anyway, we got our cleanup done, and we were lucky. We never lost power. Had a couple of trees get blown down. Was able to salvage one of them, and never lost power, like I said. But subdivisions around us, the older subdivisions, a lot of them got flooded and lost power. Some were just getting power back today, which is the 4th day. So we lucked off. But anyway, I got my. I'm still working on my first setup on this, getting back into the differential. Anyway, I got the carrier out, back out now, because I thought I was ready to start working on the shims on the carrier, but I'm far from it. Okay, I got my pinion nut. I got it down. The reason I took the carrier out was to start over again, because I never did torque the pinion nut to 160 pounds. I did, and I still have no preload. So I'm short about 2 pounds of preload, which is nothing. And anyway, so I'm gonna go back in and review some videos and information, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pull my pinion back out, my pinion shaft, and I'm probably gonna have to add, that's what I gotta figure out. Do I add or take out a shim behind the bearing race, inner bearing race? Anyway, that's what I'm working on. When I find out something, I'll get back with you on an update. My Jeep out. And this is another My Jeep update. Still Sunday, October 2nd, about 4:15 in the late afternoon, early evening, and I'm about finished up for today. I didn't take any video of what I was doing because I'm way behind the curve due to the hurricane and some medical issues again. But anyway, I've had this pinion shaft out of here twice. I'm trying to get my preload correct, and this is actually the 3rd time, twice today, and I think a couple of weeks ago I had it out trying to figure out how to do this preload. But anyway, today I think I got the preload right. Right now I'm showing about 8 to 10 pounds on the preload, and that's without the carrier and the axles in there and stuff. But anyway, but I got to go back and review to make sure that's right. And earlier what I did is, and I think I reviewed this, and I think I got it right. I went in there and I've got the inner race. It's a setup race. I got it grounded down where I can pull it out without tapping it out, and I can change the shims pretty quick. And what I had to do is add a couple of shims. I could not get a preload putting at 160 foot-pounds of torque on that pinion nut. I could not get any kind of preload, and I tightened it up to about 175, 180, and still no preload. So I broke it back down, took the pinion out, added about 15. I think it's about 15 thousandths. Anyway, I've got a little over 6 thousandths of shims in there behind that inner race, and it seems like I got my preload now. But I'm gonna check it out before I go any further. Anyway, that's a quick update. That's all I'm gonna do today, and I'll get back with you if I do anything tomorrow. That's my Jeep out.